Fix animation not working of Duolingo now. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix animation not working of Duolingo. Now, if you want to fix the animation not working issue of Duolingo, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing is that you just need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that may also be the reason that your animation is not working. But if you are connected to Wi-Fi and it is still not working, then turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, it will help you to fix the issue which is occurring on the network, and also helps you to fix the box and the ears. So after that, simply turn off the airplane mode and see if the animation is working or not. So if that is not working, then you just need to go to Play Store or App Store and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, then you just need to update the app to the latest version and see if it is working or not. So if that is working, that's good. If that is not working, then you just need to restart the device and you'll be able to fix the issue of it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Duolingo animation not working. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.